Here's a thought experiment. Can you explain why America is struggling with the pandemic in a way that also makes sense of some of the country's other major and apparently intractable policy problems? Like why we can't seem to repair our failing infrastructure, or improve the public schools, or get guns out of the hands of unstable people. I'd like to suggest a distinction between democracy as mere elected leadership on the one hand, and democracy as true self-government on the other. A system of mere elected leadership means there is a governing class that, well, governs. Every 4 years or so, we get to elect the people who do the deciding, but all democracy really means is that if they mess up, we get to kick them out when the next election rolls around. True self-government requires that accountability at elections, but it requires something more too. In true self-government, we don't just elect the people to do the deciding. We also take up the policy issues of the day ourselves. We self-govern. True self-government is a dance with 3 steps. We deliberate as a people about matters of public concern. We form some majority convictions about what's right, a majority will. And we have the power to project that majority will into government so that state action reflects our convictions. In true self-government, the people speak and the state is just the echo. What I want to suggest is that American democracy is only half working. The electing the people in charge part is working, more or less. The self-government part is not. Massive polarization has undermined deliberation. It feels like we don't deliberate so much as propagandize to our own tribe and demonize the other. Party politics has undermined the connection between the American people and their government. Too often, American law simply doesn't reflect the convictions and culture of the American people. We're a country designed for true self-government, but we've ended up with a political system in which we elect people to rule over us until the next group of ruling elites take their turn. That is a huge problem, but it's not a hopeless one. Here's my belief and my hope. Our culture as a country is not broken. If we can find ways to revive true self-government, we can overcome our greatest challenges and restore what's best about American democracy.